Hoy, tama na, Lim Shoti, Deputy Stravinsky. In the middle, tennis player, Traditional Dream is the early trailer. The favorite, Deputy Stravinsky, leads by some 2 lengths, followed by Lim Shoti. Tennis player is racing in third by the rallies Hoy. Tama na, Traditional Dream is the early trailer by about 8 or 9 lengths of the leader. As they round the 3/4 mile distance, Deputy Stravinsky by some 5 lengths, followed by Lim Shoti. Tennis players racing in third by some 4 lengths. Hoy, tama na, down on the inside alongside his Traditional Dream. Still Deputy Stravinsky by only a length and up. Lim Shoti getting closer in second. Tennis player down on the inside. In the middle is Hoy. Tama na, alongside Traditional Dream. Lim Shoti is now the leader by some 2 lengths, followed by Deputy Stravinsky. Hoy, tama na, is racing in third by Daral. Traditional Dream is racing in fourth from the outside ng tennis player. As they race the final corner, Lim Shoti by some 3 lengths. Tennis player is running by Daral. Hoy, tama na. Traditional Dream is racing from the outside. Deputy Stravinsky, the favorite, is running in fifth. Lim Shoti, tennis player, is running by the Traditional Dream. And nearing the finish line, Lim Shoti and Traditional Dream is on the outside. Tennis player by the and finally it's going to be close between tennis player, Traditional Dream, Lim Shoti.